All right, so there's big news with this car. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with the Jaguar here. We've been doing some work on it, and it's been coming along. Actually, it's in way better shape than when I got it, but still needs a little bit of work. And so here is the big reveal, because I've got my title out and everything, is that I have sold the car to a gentleman who has a European car shop, and he actually wants it because he thinks he can push it over the edge here and has all the resources to do it and has a lot of experience with Jaguars. And so I actually have been driving this around a little bit, and it's kind of fun. I mean, it's not super powerful. I only think it's like 147 horse or something like that. I guess it's probably got a little bit of torque under it, but man, I really love the shape and the look of these cars and all that stuff. But times are a little tight right now. I don't have the time or the resources really to finish this up in the way that it should be. To be really honest, the whole engine should be gone through. I would love to remove the paint, remove these little side bumper strip things, repaint the whole thing, kind of bring it back to its glory stage, but it would never get that way under my ownership. It would just kind of be a little bit of an abused running commuting beater. So one of the things that I like the idea of is that it goes to a place that is going to take it and move it along and give it the attention that it deserves. Otherwise, I would just keep this thing and work on it when I can. And obviously, cars like this are kind of expensive to continue to work on. So that being said, I think I've got it in pretty good shape for the new owner here. Trickle charge is still on there. That's why the hood is up, but he's going to come get it today here, I think in just a few minutes, and then we are going to have some empty space in the garage. I mean, I have been looking at additional projects here, so maybe we get something else in here that we can finish up too. I don't know, we'll see. But for now, we got to get this one out before I can get anything else in. Probably the thing that I'm going to miss the most and that we got done here is that it's actually running pretty smoothly these days. So it's pretty quiet. It's not knocking, it's not rumbling. It actually seems kind of modern in some ways. So I'm gonna miss driving her around, that's for sure. But off she must go.